Here's the mower. It's Cobalt. It does have a 2-battery system in it, and each battery is 24 volts. So it comes out to a 48. It's set inside of here. Let's see if I can make sure you can see it. Yeah, there we go. There they are. And it's interesting, you just pull it out by the sides. And there it is. You put it back in and shut it. Then you start over here. It kind of takes a little getting used to. If I can do it while I'm holding the phone, you have to push the start button. Hold on. And then you push the stop button, and there it goes. It's excellent. I love it. And it lasted 35 minutes and still has power, but I kind of gave up. I had it mowed in about 3 years because my neighbors where I used to live mowed it for me. And so now I got to get back and shoot it. But here's the rest of the yard. That's how much it did in 35 minutes. And it still has power left. So I guess tomorrow morning I shall attempt, oh, look at the bunny. And there's a bunny now. I don't know if I could get close enough for you to see it. There it is. Yeah, I love it, and I give it a thumbs up. Alright, hope you get to see and maybe think about buying one. At least it won't stink up my garage like gas, and it's easy to control, and the self-propeller really does help. Alright, thanks. Bye.